Let's look at Castries Universal Travel Power Adapter. With the advances of our modern world and global technology on the rise, everyone has the need to be connected for business and personal use. Having one device that can recognize the devices we plug into it, calculate the necessary current output to not only fully charge these devices, but charge these devices in the shortest time periods possible, all while protecting the devices from overcurrent and overvoltage. Castries Universal Travel Power Adapter is an all-in-one worldwide travel charger, travel socket with international power adapter, 4 different outlets for various plug configurations, a power-on LED, 4 USB ports, and built-in safety fuse. Some of the benefits to this device are having a device that you can quickly change which type of plug configuration you need to plug into the wall. If you're traveling, if you're in a different area of the world, then sometimes the plugs that we bring with us to charge our devices don't always fit the outlets that are provided in these other locations. And having one device instead of a separate adapter for each part of the world that I might find myself in, having one device that can do this can prove extremely beneficial. To operate, you simply depress the button here, and by depressing the button, this allows the sliding lever on the other side to be pushed forward, and this will push out the plugs for whichever type of setup you may need. As we can see here, you have the European, UK, Australian, and US plugs. So you simply press the button, push the plug out, and plug it into the wall. And in turn, you can plug whatever style of plug you have into the outlets on the other side of the device. This allows for easy, quick, and convenient changing between the different types of plug configurations that we may run across. And normally this would require multiple types of adapters so that we could fit all of these various possibilities. With this device, all of these adapters are built in, which makes the use of this and the storage and carrying of this device much easier and much more convenient to carry around, to have one device instead of 4 to 8 to do the same job. And it's compatible with US, UK, EU, and Australian plug, 4 USB ports. It works in Canada, Mexico, Australia, Italy, China, Japan, Saudi Arabia, also covering most of all Central and South America, Europe, Asia, and Middle Eastern countries. This covers over 150 countries worldwide. The device uses what's called smart 3.4 amp fast charging. To get the fastest and most reliable charge, most adapters have to be rated for the exact same current as the device being charged. If not, then this can increase charge times and even sometimes result in damage to your devices. With an intelligent identification chip built in, this means the IC chip will immediately recognize the device as soon as you plug it in. It will then automatically provide the maximum rated output current for that particular device and can charge different devices with different ratings, all simultaneously in the shortest time possible. The Castries Universal Travel Power Adapter also allows simultaneous use of both the AC power sockets and the 4 USB ports. This supports up to 5 devices charging at the same moment in time. Also a choice of 4 voltage sockets, which are rated for AC voltages anywhere between 100 volts and 250 volts with a maximum output current of 6.3 amps. The safety features of Castries travel charger start with a built-in 6.3 amp fuse, providing dependable and fast overcurrent protection and overvoltage protection. It's designed and built with high-quality fireproof materials, making it resistant to high temperatures. Built-in safety shutters protect users from directly touching any live components. This device is compatible with almost all USB devices, mobile phones, Bluetooth speakers, digital cameras, and more. Virtually any device that charges through a USB port. One thing to note though is this is not a voltage converter. It cannot and will not convert voltages from 110 to 220 or from 220 to 110. This device gets a very high rating for both functionality, dependability, and convenience. And that's the Castries Universal Travel Power Adapter, and here's some additional information about the device here.